Many people have been asking me, is it possible for you to go viral on TikTok with just a video? Yes, 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 it is possible for you to go viral on TikTok with just a video. As you can see, I got viral with just a video. And here's the video up here. As you can see, that is the video that took me viral and gave me 1,600 and something followers on TikTok. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach people on how to grow their international TikTok account. So if you have an international TikTok account, gather here and let's grow together. Please, what I'm going to be saying to you will help you grow your international TikTok account. So if you have an account, actually an international TikTok account that has not been growing and is poorly and is not doing well, gather here. I can assure you that channel will grow in less than no time. As you watch this video, the information I'm going to be giving you are going to help you grow your international TikTok account. Yes, guys, like I earlier said, it is possible to go viral on TikTok with just a video. Now, guys, this is my international TikTok account. I'm about to share you my experience on. So, guys, I used to have a local account where I posted content on. And for some reason, I decided to create an international TikTok account. And when I created the international TikTok account, I used to post, as you can see these videos here. Watch, these are the videos I used to post. And it used to do poorly. So I had a total of 34 subscribers. I posted more than 20 videos and I got low views. For some reason, I gave up on that account. And after a year, I decided to go back and start using my international TikTok account. And what I did was I rebrand my TikTok account. I rebrand my international TikTok account. Instead of judging the algorithm, I decided to rebrand. Many people say the algorithm is not working for them. The algorithm is not pushing their video. No. If you have the right video, the algorithm will push it. The algorithm is actually there to help you go viral. If you are not going viral, it's because there's something you are not doing right. I went back on the drawing board and decided to see what kind of videos can I post on TikTok that will get attention. Because TikTok, billions of people are posting. Billions of people are online. They don't have time to waste. If you give them the right thing, they will be with you. So I rebrand my channel to Christian Message. And that was the best thing I did. And for some reason, I posted some 3 videos. They gave me some views. And I decided to post a particular video. And this video blew. This is the video that took me viral. This is the video up here, as you can see. It is the most viral Christian video online right now. The most viral video, Christian video online, is the video. Now, let me show you through my other phone. Let me show you how that video is doing presently. I'm going to be showing to you. Just be patient with me. Let me show you how that video is doing. Actually, that video gave me 113,000 views. Not just that. It also gave me total playtime. It also gave me 176, 3 hours, 54 minutes, 46 seconds that's been played. Those who watched the video full, 13.51 followers. Like I said, presently it has given me 1,600 and something subscribers. Average view 52, guys. That's on the high side. So you see, it is possible for you to go viral with just a video. It is possible for you to go viral with just a video. So I'm going to be sharing to you more of experience on how you can grow your international TikTok account. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also follow our TikTok account, Christian Message. You will see it online. And I'm telling you, we are going to take a journey that will grow your TikTok account. Do you have a TikTok account that you have abandoned, international TikTok account? Please, don't worry. Watch these videos. You'll grow your international TikTok account. Thank you for watching. God bless you.